And for fresh grads, out of school youths, unemployed individuals, or stay-at-home parents, ano pa ang hinihintay nyo? Okay? Ano pa hinihintay nyo? Gawin mo na ngayon. Okay? Gawin mo na ngayon. Okay? You have all the time to venture into freelancing kasi mas madami ang free time niyo. So do this now. And I hope this course will really help you jumpstart your career. Okay? Okay. I hope everything is okay. Okay, I've been talking here for 1 hour and 30 minutes na siguro. So, go. I-pause mo muna yung video, inom ka tubig, stretching, and all that. Go. Pahinga muna, saglit. Pause mo muna. Pero kung ready ka na, magpatuloy, go. I will show you some screenshots. Okay. This is my friend, member ng Katwa. I would say na natulungan ko nung umpisa. So this is a reminder na lahat ng tinuturo sa Katwa, sa community namin, is working. So keep on connecting, maghanap ng client. Your next connection might be your breakthrough. Huwag kalimutan mag-optimize ng profile. Okay, tuturo yan mamaya. Okay, offering daw a full-time role at Bravos Research. We're offering a monthly salary of blah blah blah. Wala na akong idea kung ilan yan. Pero the good thing is naka-close siya ng pretty big client. Okay. Hi guys, I want to share my small win. Na-hire daw siya as a GVA. Thank you so much po sa lahat ng learnings na na-apply ko. Na-apply ko siya during the interview. At last, makakasali daw siya sa Discord soon. Ayan, no? Ito din, I'd like to share. I wouldn't say na natulungan ko to personally, pero this is someone na member ng community namin. I'd like to share some wins from February and March. I've been struggling to find clients na hindi daw mainly project-based since it's hindi daw sustainable. Just got 2 new job offers. Yung isa daw, nagkamali pa yung grammar sa email. Closed a deal with an engineering architecture company. The other one is previous project-based client. Nag-reach out daw today for another project. Tapos na on-board na daw siya today. Tapos wala pa daw tayong tracker. So, ang saya-saya. Diba? So, yun. Now, next. I think hindi ko din to natulungan specifically, but this is part of our community. Na-shared lang daw niya yung small win niya today. Nakakuha na daw siya ng appointment setting role. Hindi daw siya expert as an appointment setter, but has a bit knowledge, research, and random opinions. I would say knowledge is power and we learn new things every day. So why not use it in a productive way? Charot daw. Not to brag, but to inspire, especially sa mga nag-uumpisa pa lang here sa community namin. Walang susuko, laban lang. Yan. Imagine na-hire siya sa appointment setting role kahit wala siyang experience, hindi siya expert. Diba? At ito din, pretty recently ko lang to nalaman na attendee siya ng event namin last February 9, 2025. And then, nag-PM siya randomly na currently freelancer na daw siya.